Good evening, everyone. My name is Dr. Lindsay Kilburn, and I'm a pediatric neuro-oncologist and Director of Experimental Therapeutics for the Brain Tumor Institute at Children's National Hospital. I am delighted to be a part of this year's virtual Fall Ball and to share more about the national Phase 1 clinical trial that is underway as a result of your generosity. This is a multi-center clinical trial to evaluate a novel combination therapy of two targeted treatments, trametinib and everolimus, in children with low-grade gliomas. The study is being conducted through the Pacific Pediatric Neuro-Oncology Consortium, which is inclusive of 18 sites across the United States. This trial will include up to 50 children over about 24 months at renowned hospitals, including Children's National Hospital, Lurie Children's Hospital in Chicago, University of California in San Francisco, Boston Children's, and St. Jude, among others. For some background, low-grade gliomas are the most common brain tumor seen in children. If they cannot be completely resected, which often they cannot, they often require treatment off and on over many years, which typically has a significant impact on children's lives. Historically, these tumors were treated with radiation, which has significant long-term effects, or with IV chemotherapy, which required frequent visits to the oncologist over approximately a year or more. In the last 5 to 10 years, newer molecularly targeted therapies, like the ones being used in this trial, have shown tremendous promise. These therapies have been transformative in the lives of many children. One of my patients on the first clinical trial of such a targeted therapy later described it as a magic pill that allowed her to live a normal life while still treating her tumor. However, some children will not respond to a single medication, or their tumor may grow again after they finish the therapy. Our goal with this clinical trial is to build upon the successes of targeted treatments by utilizing a combination therapy to overcome tumor resistance and improve therapeutic effectiveness, while still maintaining a well-tolerated treatment that allows kids to live normal lives. This trial builds on exciting breakthroughs in the last decade. It's the first to use this type of combination targeted therapy in children with low-grade gliomas. Our hope is it will provide important information to expand our knowledge of how to use these medications in children with low-grade gliomas, as well as with other types of pediatric cancer. Most importantly, it has the potential to deliver a safe and hopefully more effective treatment for children with low-grade gliomas, while allowing them to live normal lives during the course of their therapy. We are deeply grateful to the Lila Bean Foundation and its community for supporting this critical study. It is a constant challenge and incredibly competitive to secure funding for pediatric brain cancer research. Less than 4% of the NIH budget is dedicated to childhood cancer research, and a small fraction of those funds are targeted to childhood brain tumor research. And yet childhood brain cancer remains the leading cause of death due to cancer in children. This innovative trial would not happen without your support, without your partnership, and without the Lila Bean Foundation's dedication to advancing pediatric cancer research. Your commitment tonight means that we can offer this clinical trial to children across the country, and that we can provide children with brain cancer and their families with a hope for a cure. Together, we can drive solutions for families that need us today and be better prepared for the families that will need us in the future. On behalf of our study team, our colleagues, and especially on behalf of my patients, I thank you so much for your support tonight.